Ready? Start. The present petition was heard for admission on 15/1/2001. Full stop. While granting time for filing counter affidavit to the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 2, the direction was given to permit the respondent number 2 to join his duties immediately, and if he does so, he was held entitled for payment of current salary at the rate which he was getting at the time when his services were terminated. Full stop para. Further operation of impugned award dated 15/3/2000, published on 14/11/2000, was stayed provided the petitioner employer deposits the entire amount of back wages payable to respondent number 2 within 60 days from the date of the order. Full stop. The amount to be deposited by the petitioner was directed to be invested in fixed term deposit in a nationalized bank initially for a period of 1 year for the benefit of respondent number 2. However, the deposits have been made subject to result of the writ petition. Full stop. It was further directed that in the event of failure of deposit to be made by the petitioner, the interim order shall automatically vacated and the award shall become executable at once. Full stop para. The case of the petitioner set up is that respondent number 2, workman, was employed as a helper with effect from 1/7/1987, and he was promoted to the post of technician, on which post he worked till he retired and resigned from the services of the petitioner with effect from 15/3/1996. Full stop. The respondent number 2 left the services on his own and was paid the entire dues oblique wages up to the date till he worked, and he was given bonus and gratuity. Full stop. The amount towards full and final settlement of the dues of the workman was paid via check number 02112287 dated 31/3/1996. The said amount was encashed and debited to the account of respondent number 2. Full stop para. The workman filed miscellaneous case number 99 of 1997 under section 33C(2) of the Act before the Labour Court, Agra, claiming wages for the period from 1/4/1996 to 22/4/1997, as well as retrenchment, compensation, bonus, etc. Full stop. The claim of the workman was that he has not been paid wages since March 1996, and on demand made by him, the employer had illegally terminated his services with effect from 1/10/1997. Full stop. By means of application moved under section 33C(2), the amount of rupees 69,050 was claimed towards wages payment in lieu of notice, retrenchment, compensation, bonus,